Alright folks, I'm back again. Driving in the street in North Carolina. So we in North Carolina right now.
No, the South Carolina.
So we heading to a little spot. You can see it's just wood and more wood to the side of the road. Bushes, grass, and all that stuff. But I like it though, you know, it's just cool, quiet. We in Chesterfield County right now. We heading up back to I think this is still Pageland, if I'm not mistaken. Pageland. So question to you, does Pageland end at the border? North to South Carolina? Okay. Yeah, there's more farms right here to the left. I'm not sure what these are. If these are, yeah, can't guess because I'm not sure. But yeah, there's lots of farms around here. I kind of miss the country life though. I love it, but my wife is not. She said no way. She said no farming for her. And then farming is a struggle too, especially for black farmers. You know, it is just gonna get the same amount of same level of respect as they give to white farmers. They sell you the seed that's fucked up. The seed is bad. Your crop doesn't come. It's just so much. You don't get them on the loan you need to get. No assistance for nothing. It's just hard. Oh yeah. So I'm trying to figure out what this is. I want to see somebody to ask. I'm gonna ask them. I was thinking it was red pea or string beans, I'm not sure. But it's a lot of it on both sides. I'm thinking it's soybean. Huh?
Could be soy.
So what, baby?
I don't think it would be string beans or anything like that. There's too many of them.
Yeah, I don't know what it is though, but
You know what it's not? It's not cotton.
I know what it's not. It's not marijuana. Good old ganja. No. These back roads at nighttime, not driving by myself. And if I'm driving, I gotta have my 404. Knocking on my 404. I'm talking my door. I'm just playing. Yep. Just wanna, can you imagine this place get dark at nighttime, baby?
Yes.
Car breakdown. I'm leaving. I'm gonna leave. You go get help and come back, okay?
You gonna walk in the dark?
You don't get
Straight
it.
up dark.
I'm gonna leave you. I ain't coming back. Nah, I ain't gonna do that to my baby. Oh, this happened to us one time. That car break down.
Oh, yeah.
People got that flat,
That was on the highway.
and
though.
we in the woods. I'm like, shit. I'm trying to change a tire. Something got stuck. I'm trying to work on it.
Southern Virginia.
Then this guy came and like, oh shit. I don't have nothing on me. All I got is a crowbar. But he was good. He was helpful. Help us out. We were gone and away, and we were done and gone. I'm wondering though, was he a construction worker or because it's a construction site,
Yes.
or he was was he a road? Because you know they have road assistants.
No, I think
So-
he was a construction worker.
That's what I thought. Because then I was like, you know, I was like, wow, it's my good day, my lucky day. But God bless us that night in the woods. It could have been worse, you know. Oh yeah. So we driving for a while, and you know, both sides. Remember when you get to a corner, slow down. We don't have to. If the sheriff is around there waiting to chase you, I think this is what you call that shit again. Anyway, I don't remember what you call that movie again. You're chasing that car. Dukes of Hazzard. Ah, remember that movie? Dukes of Hazzard. I used to love that shit.
TV show.
And when I grew up, nobody was like, you ain't see the Confederate flag? You know what that shit is like? Oh, damn, I ain't know nothing about that.
Yep.
Like you see, y'all young and dumb and brainwashed. My baby is speeding, as you can see. She is going through.
I am not going more than 10 over.
Okay? And shit, they don't give a damn if you're going 0 over. Ma'am, You were speeding? Yo, 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 yo. Like, is he speaking Chinese, baby?
No, not down here.
Coburg Road, yeah.
You notice a lot of these roads will have people's names.
Oh, for real? Yes, I noticed that. But none of these names are black. There's some sheriff that got, some old folks that got died that donate some money or
Not
something.
true. When you see Blackwells, you see Blakeney's, those are blacks.
Really?
Funderburgs.
Well, but you know where they got now, but you know where they get their name from. They get their name from their slave masters. So don't be thinking, okay? Don't be thinking because the name is a black person. Nope. And you know as well as I know, it's gonna take a lot for a black person to get a name and in the street, worse in this part of the world.
Ooh, there was a snake. That was my first one.
Where? On the street?
Thank you.
On the street?
Mm-hmm.
You tell you that there's cops up in front?
Yeah, she told me to slow down.
Yeah.
No, I just passed one on the side of the road.
Yeah, that's probably. Yeah, but you say if you. Yeah. So I tell you, slow down. You ain't trying to get no $1,000 ticket and they take your black man away from you.
Ah, look.
Yeah.
What is it? That's not police.
We don't know what it is, but just go around it. We don't know what it is. We don't want none of it. Just go around it. Oh, there's some cows over there. Ooh. I can't see them. There's some cows over there. Damn, all these woods. Can't see them at all.
Maybe you don't have a seatbelt on.
Yes, I do. Oh shit, my wife just caught me. No seatbelt on.
Millie Rock told on you.
Don't worry, Millie. One day it's gonna be just me and you fighting it out. And the wife is asleep. Oh yeah. Alright. So we're about to come to so we're in the neighborhoods now. I just passed the house earlier that I like.
Bakers, that's the people.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean that because they're bakers they're black. That all of them black. That's what you're saying. It doesn't mean.
Baker Circle.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is these streets are named after the people that originally were living there.
Mm-hmm.
Like our street is Pegues because my great grandmother's name was Pegues.
Okay. That I
So
understand.
this is their grandparents, great grandparents.
But the grandparents were white, right? The great grandparents were white,
I
correct?
don't know. Laney is white.
They were mixed. You say, are they half baked?
The Bakers, yeah.
So this is a house that's abandoned. Slow down, it's in a little, look at it, it's
Hazeltown
abandoned,
limits.
surrounded by bush. Right here, there's some houses right here. Nice. So we're coming up to a little neighborhood now where there's people, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Oh yeah.
This area is called Petersburg.
Petersburg. So is it a part of Page then?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Oh, so Page will more be something like PG County with all of this and this. I'm not saying that big though. Not big and not that diverse. You know what I'm
Not
saying?
that developed.
Yeah, but just what I'm saying. The name is a Page is a county or a city?
I think it's more like it's a city.
It's a city. Okay, I got you. Oh, folks, they go slow down, baby. They go red dot. Oh, when I say red dot, folks, red dot is normally liquor stores. Called ABC stores.
That was a liquor store.
There's a liquor store. Yeah. So they say in the South, the red dot stores is a liquor store. Where black folks couldn't read or write back in the days. They used to see, every time they see the red dot, they know it's a liquor store. They can get their moonshine in there or their alcohol. Which is moonshine is alcohol. Alright, folks, so this is Jamaican Jermaine touring the South. So I'm gonna take another step and I'm gonna give you guys another video later on, okay? Alright, so here goes some touch trees right there. How you call them, palm trees. Oh, this is, did we just drove past this neighborhood?
Yeah.
I have to come visit them touch trees right there.
Now.
Alright, so Alright folks, sorry I keep on saying I'm gonna go, but yeah, I'm gonna keep on feeding you guys with some videos, alright? Because it's a learning curve for all of us, you know what I mean? And you know, some places are nice, some places are scary. That lady was staring at me earlier, man. She just wouldn't stop. I didn't put the video on her. I didn't want to call her a Karen. She have a right to look at me. I was just doing, you know what I mean? I was just doing some filming, but alright. Alright, so folks, so I'm gonna get to you guys, you know what I mean, later on. Alright? Peace out.